The Excel VSTACK function combines arrays vertically into a single array. Each subsequent array is appended to the bottom of the previous array. This function can be used by Microsoft 365 users. VSTACK function has just one required argument, array 1, the first array or range to combine. Array 2 is optional, the second array or range to combine. Let's have an example. In the formula bar, write VSTACK. Select the array for the first table. Select the array for the second table. The output from VSTACK is fully dynamic. If data in the given arrays changes, the result from VSTACK will immediately update. We can also sort the fields by combining VSTACK with the sort function in Excel. The sort function has 4 arguments. The first argument is an array range to sort. It is the VSTACK. The second argument is sort_index, a column index to use for sorting. We want to sort by age, column index is 3. The third argument is sort order. We want to sort in ascending order. The last argument is by call. We want to sort by row. The data was sorted based on age. When VSTACK is used with arrays of different size, the smaller array will be expanded to match the size of the larger array. In other words, the smaller array is filled with NA values to match the size of the larger array. The option for handling these errors is to use the IFERROR function. IFERROR is configured to replace errors with an empty string. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.